Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can create these beautiful looking website in just a few seconds for your clients, and you can charge a good amount for them. As you can see, these websites are created using AI in just a few minutes, and you can create them too within a minute. Now let me show you exactly how you can do this. But before that, there is one important step that lot of you ask about: how you can find clients to sell websites to. So let me explain that first. First of all, you need to start with a specific research. You have to choose a business, like what kind of business you want to target. For example, restaurant, real estate agents, gyms, salons, cafes, or coaching institute. You should not approach random business. It always better to focus on a specific industry. The second step is search that industry on Google Maps. For example, if you choose restaurant, you can search for restaurant near me or in a specific city or a country. That same goes for gym, salon, or any niche you select. The third step is to find opportunities. You need to look for business that don't have any website, or if they do have, it should be outdated or poorly designed. Also check if they don't have features like online booking or if their branding is weak. These are the perfect leads for you. The fourth step is to qualify the leads before reaching out. Check if they have some reviews. Even business with fewer reviews can be a great potential client because they can benefit more from having a website. Also check if they are running ads. If they are spending money on ads, it usually means that they can afford to pay for a website as well. The next step is to create a quick sample. This is very important step. If you provide a sample website, your chance closing the deal increase significantly. You don't even need to make it a perfect website, just create a basic demo using their business name, logo, and some simple content. Later you can customize it further. This simple step can increase your conversion rate from around 10 to 20%, and overall it can boost your chance of getting your first client. Once you create the sample, you can reach out to them WhatsApp, Instagram, or email. You can send a simple message like, "Hey, I found your business on Google Maps. I created a quick website that could help you to get more customers. Would you like me to send it?" This approach works very well. Some pro tips here: try to target new business that have around 0 to 50 reviews. These are usually easiest to close. Avoid big brands because they are harder to sell it. And focus more on local service based business like salons, restaurants, and gyms in your area because they usually need a website the most. Now, for the building website, we are going to use a platform called Dualite.dev. With Dualite.dev, you can create professional websites in minutes. It's one of the fastest way to go from idea to working product. As you can see, all of these sample websites are creating using AI. Let me also show you directly on the platform. So first of all, you need to click on get started button. Then you need to create your account by clicking on continue with Google, and after that just select your Google account and you are ready to start building. Now, first of all, you have option to import your design from Figma. If you already have a design, you can just import directly from Figma from here. Or if you want to connect it with cloud or import something from GitHub, you can do that as well. You can connect it GitHub, Figma, or even Supabase directly integrate everything here. Now we have different options for what you want to build: a full stack app, a mobile app, or a landing page. For this example, we're going to build a landing page. Next, you can paste your prompt. If you don't have any prompt, you can describe Dualite what you want to build, and the best way is just click on this enhance button and it will automatically improve your prompt just like this. As you can see here, this is my prompt. If you want to attach some image as reference, you can do it from here. You also have option to upload images directly into your project from here. Moving on, if you want to add some custom API integrations, you can do it too. You can also define specific rules for your project here. In my case, I don't have any specific rules, so I will skip that part. Now you can also explore some of the templates available here. You can start directly from these templates as well. I will put link of these in description box below so you can check them out. But if you want to start it from scratch, just use the prompt I showed you, or you can just describe Dualite your idea and just click on the send button. Once you do, it will take you to the main dashboard where all buildings and coding happen. Before that, you might see a notification saying something like "don't keep burning credit. Let us help you to take your idea to production within hours." What this means is if you click talk to our AI coding expert, you can schedule a call with them or one of their team member. They will guide you through the entire process from idea to fully launched project. You can schedule a 45 minutes call or longer, choose your preferred date and time and connect with them for detailed guidance. But if you want to build it yourself, just click on let me build myself. Now you can see it says I will help you build high converting premium dark theme website for fits on gym. So basically we are building a website for gym. On the right side, you can see the preview and the code section. You will be able to view all the code for your website and you can even edit it once it's ready. There's also a terminal language options if you want to switch between language, and we also have options like product upload options. Some of the features are logged until the website is fully generated. Right now this is the coding process. So as you can see, Dualite is building your page. There are many other options that we can explore once the build is complete, and I will show you in a moment too. You can also find all of your recent projects here and you can start a new project anytime. Now let's wait for the project to finish. Alright, as you can see, our website is now ready. It shows everything that has been implemented: design system, hero section, about section, services, interactive pricing, and more. On the right side, you can see the preview of the website. Transform your body at fit zone. It already looks like a very professional website. Now imagine sending this as a demo to your client before even closing the deal. If you reach out and say, "Hey, I created a website for your business, take a look," and the chances of conversion are much higher. You can see it includes contact options. If someone clicks on the message button, it redirects to the WhatsApp. It also has pricing plans, expert trainers with image and detailed section, not just basic HTML and CSS. We also have success stories with images. Normally, people would have to add these images manually, but here everything is already included. So this is how you can easily build websites for your client. You don't have to do much, just describe your business and Dualite will generate the website for you. Then you can customize it and sell it to your client. Now, if you want to connect Supabase, just click on Supabase icon. I'm going to connect it. So when someone enters their email, it gets stored and we can access it later. Just click on connect with Supabase button and then you have to just click on authorize Dualite and your Supabase account will be connected. Right now I need to create a new Supabase account because I already have multiple accounts. So I will just quickly set up, then I will show you how you can connect it with Supabase. Now as you can see, I am inside Supabase. I will click on create new project and here I will give my project a name. Let's call it fit zone. Next I will enter my project database password, then I will click on create project. Just like that your project will be created. Now we can go back to Dualite and refresh the page so that our projects appear there. Once I refresh, you can see that now we have a project called FitZone. I will click on it and select the project. After doing this, your Supabase project is successfully connected with Dualite. Now once the connection is done, you can give it a prompt telling that Supabase is connected so it can implement the required changes and store your data properly in the Supabase. We have many Supabase options that we can explore later, but for now, let's go back to Dualite and give it a prompt. Let me show you what to write. For example, if you want to store newsletter emails, so whenever someone signs up for a newsletter, their email should be stored in Supabase. For this, you have to go to the prompt box and write something like this. I have connected my Supabase account. When a user enters their email in newsletter form, it should be stored in my Supabase account. You can also write in a simpler way, just mention Supabase and whatever you want to achieve and it will handle the rest for you. Once you enter this prompt, Dualite will automatically connect everything and implement the changes. As you can see, this is my prompt. I will zoom it for you so you can see it clearly. I have connected my Supabase. Please make sure that when users enter their email in newsletter, it gets stored in my Supabase. Now, once you have this, just give it a moment and once it's done, I will show you exactly how it works and how the data gets stored. Now as you can see, everything has been successfully added and the changes have been implemented as well. If we go to the newsletter section, let me enter a test email to check if it's stored in our database. I will enter a random email here and click on send. As you can see, it says successfully subscribed. Now if we go back to Supabase, we can explore all the available options one by one like database, authentication and more. Here you can also see the full database structure, tables and everything related to your project. As you can see, a table called in newsletter subscribers has been automatically created, so all the emails submitted through the newsletter will be stored here. If you open the table editor, you can see the exact email we just entered. Along with that, we can also have like details like created timestamp, so everything is being stored properly. This is how you can connect your Supabase and store user data easily. Now let's explore some of the other options. If you want to make changes to the website, just click on the edit option and you can describe any changes you want. For example, if you want to change the text, you want to update the hero section image, or you want to write anything to this website or remove anything from this website, you have to just click on that part and you can describe the AI what you want to do. There are also other options available like restart the project, check environment variables from here. Now let's come to the main part, how you can download the code and publish your website. This is the main part I think, because if you build the website and you have to send it to client for the preview, so this is the main step. If you want to like publish the website or download the code, we can just close this edit button first. Now if you look at the options, we have Supabase, GitHubs and all the download options. If you want to connect it with GitHub, you can do, I already explained that. Now for the publish, you have an option called publish here. Just click on this publish and here you have to connect with Netlify and you will be redirected to the Netlify page. Here you can continue with Google and create your account or login if you already have one. Once your account is created, you will be redirected back to the Dualite, and before that you have to just click on this authorize button and your account will be connected. As you can see, authentication is successful. Now you can simply click on this publish button and it will start creating your site. This build process begins and within 20 to 30 seconds your website will be deployed automatically. As you can see, it's currently deploying. Meanwhile, you can also download the code by clicking on the download button. Now as you can see, your website is live. You can copy the link and open it. Here it is, you can see our full website is live. You can share it with anyone, get feedback or make further changes if needed. All the section, images, features are working properly. So now we have a complete website ready. If you want to make any changes, I have already shown you how you can do this. Just describe what you want to change and it will update it. So this is how easily you can create website and sell them to your clients. Now let's quickly talk about the pricing. If you want to try this tool, you get a few free messages, like 3 messages, you can test it out. For example, to creating this website, it cost around 3 messages for me. But if you want to build websites regularly for clients, it's better to go with a paid plan. Looking at the pricing, you can see it support building landing pages, mobile apps, and more. It also includes features like AI code generation, GitHub import, privacy email support, and community access. All of this includes in a pro plan for which is like 3000 rupees. In my opinion, the pro plan is enough if you're starting and working with clients. Once you scale, you can upgrade to unlimited plan. So yeah, this is how you can create websites for your clients and sell them easily. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comment. I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.